What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kino Casino, and it's another great day to be great. Today is day 28 of however long it takes for me to get to my first payout of 2026. So we're about to jump on the charts right now to see what we're looking for today. So let's get it. So guys, on the charts today, all right, we had big news events. So it was NFP just now. It happened at 8:30 and it was pretty big. We got a huge move down. That's a really big candle. If we look all the way left, this is where I get my areas of interest from, but that's all the way to the left to look for it. But right now, particularly where we at, this is literally like the area I'm looking for a trade from. Looking for a trade like to bounce back from here, because we had this big drop before 9:30. So what I'm thinking is a lot of volume is going to come into the market and it's going to drop price. Either it pushes up, hopefully I'm able to catch it, but if I'm not, hopefully it gets back to this area of interest and I'm able to catch the sales for the continuation of the trend. So really is really one of those two areas of interest that I'm looking for. The markets look bearish. Like, I mean, if you know how to identify trend, which is high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. So you see this lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. That was really ugly. I apologize for that, but that's just to go to say that we've been in a really bearish trend. So we'll see what we're able to catch today. We're back at it again, boys, with the Goya coconut water. Come on. And this one is super cold. I had it in here in the fridge all week. It's been waiting for me to take a sip. That's refreshing, bro. That's good. We see price already taking off from that area of interest. Not necessarily what I'm looking for, but we'll see, man. All right, let's see what 930 want to do. All right, boom. You reverted back to the mean, to the area of interest. That's what we want to see. I don't think this sales of this is going to continue. I think we're going to get a push up. I'm going to even put my buy limit already set up here, but obviously that's not where I want to enter, but I'm just going to have it there just in case it turns around. Today, I'm joining the live of my wife's stream, just here to show her some support. Check out. Look at her. She got people up in here. Join her chat, man. Her name is Next Level Trading. Kai Janae. Oh, man, she's a dope trader. Join up. I'm going to leave the link in the description for you to join up if you are ever curious about finding a Christ-centered female trader. She's right here. I got you. All right. Well, I stand corrected. It looked like it does want to continue selling off. I stand corrected. I don't really want to touch this trade, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. Don't really want to touch this one. 137 points. I would just leave that John alone. It does have some room to the next area of interest, though. So I could possibly take it on MYM. I might take it. Low risk. Sell stop. Damn. All right, there you go. Let me get in. Sell limit. I'll get in down there. It's a low risk trade. We'll see. High probability I missed the train already, but who knows? There we go. Just got tapped in. 76 bucks. Not risking crazy. Honestly, I don't think that it's gonna continue selling off, but if it does, that's good. It looked like it's going. I didn't put no sides behind it. It's okay though. Look like TP's gonna get hit. I still caught the trade though, but I didn't size in properly. But hey, it is what it is. All right, TP hit. Come on. Quick trading day today. I was trading with my wife's Discord chat. Hit to TP real fast. Really quick trading day today. You know, just staying disciplined. I did see that the trade, like the candle was huge, bro. It was like 150 points candle. I was not risking one micro on that, or mini, whichever one is bigger. I was not risking one. I did that the last time and I ended up risking like $900, and I took a $900 loss and I had to dig myself out of that hole of $900. I was not doing that again. So I made sure I risk managed properly. I went down to MYM and I took one contract, so I wasn't risking over a lot. So I'm only up $70 for the day. That's cool. That's cool. I'm okay. It's a great day, you know. But thanks for watching my videos, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. We'll be back next week. I love y'all. Till next time. Peace.